Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Bahati. If you aren't new here, then you probably haven't seen my face in a while because I've been gone. Anyways, I'm back and I'm glad to be back. Like for real. I think I said this like last year.
Anyways, today I'm here to talk to you guys about me coming back to YouTube and what I have envisioned for this channel.
For real, because I've learned some things about YouTube. So I'm back and I'm better. I'm feeling better. I'm excited. New year, not new me, just better me. But yeah, I just want to talk to you guys really. I want to get into creating better habits for myself and being more consistent in life, like with YouTube and stuff and other stuff. But that's the reason why I created this whole channel in the first place, was to see how much I can grow as an individual and how much I can overcome and manage. But I want to take you guys through that journey with me, so I'm gonna try to post on here consistently. But like I said, I just want to talk to you right now on certain things that I've done to kind of help me and to facilitate being consistent and reaching my goals for this year. You guys can take these tips and do whatever you want with them. I just want to put it out there so you guys know, and also kind of like a diary in a way, right? So one of the things that I first did right before coming into the new year was write down my goals. At first I did like 23 goals for 2023, but then more and more ideas came to me afterwards. And at first I was like struggling low key, like I was on 16. I was like, I don't know what to put. And then after 23, like the next day I was like, ooh, we're at 26, and then ooh, we're at 30. But the more and more goals I have, I continue to write them, right? Like I'm not gonna set for a limit of goals, even though I was gonna do 23, right? I think there's this video I watched of like Steve Harvey. He was like, write down 300 goals. Just write it all down and kind of like give it to God and see how far it goes, right? And that's kind of the mindset that I have right now. Like I believe I can achieve anything, and I feel like we need to have that type of mindset in order to reach your goals. But that's one of the things I did, right? Next thing I did was I took those goals that I've written down, and I wanted to separate my goals between things I have to do daily, things I have to do weekly, and things I have to do monthly, right? Just to be organized with them. And I kind of went in, I wrote them on my iPad, so I went back in and I highlighted them, and I was like, okay, this color is going to represent this color is going to represent that, and this color is going to represent the final one, right? And then after that, I went in and I created a Google spreadsheet, right? So right now I have a Google spreadsheet that I look at just to make sure I'm doing my like daily goals and what I got to do for the week. So I gotta have that, right? I took this template from somebody, but I made it my own, right? So everything that's in here, well, the majority of the things that are in here, like 99% of it is really my own, and the template is just other person's. I can link that video down below. You can get the template from them. Thank you very much for that person. Moving on. So yeah, it's been a couple of days into the new year, and I have been tracking my goals with this sheets that I created. So what I do is sometimes in the morning, like I'll look at it and I'm like, this is everything I have to do. Or I just start my day. Like I just automatically start my day and I check off as I go. Whenever I'm feeling stuck during the day and I'm like, I don't know what to do, I gotta make sure I completed all my goals, I just go back to it. I look at it, see what I gotta get done, and I check it off. Another thing that you can do, and a lot of people do, are vision boards, right? Which is basically like a mood board or a collage of everything that you want, right? Everything that you want to accomplish, everything you want to come true. As many people do, I went on Pinterest to collect my pictures, but some of these pictures I did kind of create myself because I wanted to fit a certain aesthetic. So I scrolled through the pictures, I looked at quotes, I looked at gym goals related things, I looked at a variety of things, right? And I saved those pictures into their own collage. I created an album, right? And then I saved it. I went in and I looked at the aesthetic of it. Like I said, personally, I like an aesthetic. So I went in, I took out what I didn't like, I created it my own, I added some more, you know, and then I took those pictures, made a collage, rearranged it however I liked best, and now that is my vision board. Also, I've been listening to audiobooks, and I've always liked listening to audiobooks just because I feel like I'm a slow reader. Like I like reading and sitting down and reading a good book, but I feel like I don't have time for that. So I just listen to audiobooks right now. Right now I'm listening to Atomic Habit, which is a book that I've low-key been wanting to read and interested in for years, but I guess it never aligned until recently. So I started listening to that, and I'm learning day by day how to change and improve my habits. Yeah, I'm back on YouTube. That's really what I came here to say, and I just shared a little what I'm doing right now. Stay tuned for future videos. Like, comment, subscribe, of course, and we'll see where this year takes us. I have high hopes. Also, you guys can comment what type of videos or things you want to see from me, and I'll look into that. You could go ahead and also follow me on Instagram. I'm consistent on that, like for a fact. Like I'm there each and every single day. You could go ahead and do that to stay updated with me, to see things that I always posting, like motivational, inspirational type things, educational type things. So you can do that, and you guys can learn and grow with me, as I intended this channel to be from the beginning. Bye. I'll obviously be doing a makeup video because I love the way I do my makeup, and I'm not like here to brag or anything.